Babies will always be a priority to their mothers. As we mothers know, our baby's skin starts to adjust to the new world. The health of the skin of baby becomes very important. So we try to prefer anti-allergic lotions or creams which moisturize our baby's delicate skin, as this is the starting point for the lifetime preparation of our baby's skin. So today I am going to give review regarding this Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion, which can be applied on both face and body. It highlights mainly 3 points, that is it preserves skin barrier, that is it locks the moisture within the baby's body. It contains glycerin, that is it helps in maintaining skin hydration, and it's completely allergic free. And this bottle is generally a 400 ml bottle which can easily last for a long amount of time. Now coming to the description of this Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion, generally it blends the glycerin and shea butter to moisturize your baby's delicate skin, and this lotion is completely oil free and hypoallergenic, that is there will be no harm of any type of allergy, and it can be applied on your baby's delicate skin twice a day. That is, you can apply it after her bath and during night times, or you can also try to apply it after every diaper change. Now coming to the ingredients, it generally have natural oils which helps in soothing and nourishing our baby's skin, and the basic important point is it completely paraben free, which is the necessity of every lotion or cream which we are going to use for baby further also. And this lotion is completely dermatologically tested, that is it is clinically proven by doctors, that is there is no harm in using this lotion for baby skin. And coming to the bottle, it is completely in the form of pump type of bottle which is easy to use, that is you just need to press the pump and within a second you will see a lotion on your hand. See the consistency of the lotion, it is neither too thick and nor too thin, and it can be easily applied on your baby's body, and it's not completely oily or greasy. And coming to the price of this product, I think it is around MRP rupees 685 rupees. That is, once it is a one time investment for a baby for around 6 months, that is once you invest around 685 rupees, it easily lasts for you around for 5 to 6 months. And this Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion is a very handy bottle and can be carried easily within our purses or our diaper bags, and it's very suggested bottle by number of mothers. So as a new mother, you should always try to use the best products which can be best suited for your baby skin and doesn't cause harm to their delicate skin. So as a new mom, I try to recommend every new mother to try and use this Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion for their baby skin. Thank you.